Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthiac, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Happy Wednesday, my budget friends. We are stuffing our sinking fund slash spending binder. This money goes so quickly once it's in here. I pinch off of it as needed, and it is what it is. I just basically have a cushion in this binder, and I was trying to set up something a little bit more formal where I'm saving, a little bit more long term. I haven't reached that point yet, so we're going to work with what we have at this point. Today we're stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. All right, $185 is what we're working with today. My boys, they've been doing extra chores and trying to come up with any way to make money. And so I've been paying them from this envelope, usually via Cash App, so I have to, move money around, or I pay myself back the money. So my kiddos, let's see, what are we gonna do today? How about we put 50? Let's put 50 bucks. I think that's solid. I may need to put it in my bank account though and transfer it to Cash App because Cash App is just their thing. They usually buy things online, so that's where that money goes. Self-care, let's go ahead and put 50 in there. Self-care is just basically my spending. Whatever I want, if I want to go out to eat or if I want to do something special with my kiddos. Like we went to Applebee's the other day and that was quite fun. But we have, these funds to have some fun and not be stuck in the house. So it's working out right now. And because of the way my budget has been set up, I got a little bit of wiggle room. The way my budget is set up right now, I have a little bit of wiggle room, and so that's been helping quite a bit. Car maintenance, let's put 20 bucks in there. All right, and then home, how about we do 15? Let's see. And safety nets, we'll put 40 bucks in there. And then the last $10, where are we going to put that last $10? Let's put it into my kiddos. See if they can make some money. So now they have $60. So basically the way that will work is $30 a piece, but they've got to earn it, and they have been on it, you guys. It's been so crazy. Self-care has $50 total, which I have my eye on something, so I'm pretty sure that's going to be gone pretty quickly. Car maintenance has $20, $30. And car maintenance is not necessarily like big maintenance on a vehicle. It's just like car washes. I do need windshield wipers, so I've got to work on that now. So home has 10, 20, 25. And a couple of things for my home that I'm wanting to have. However, I'm trying to hang on to this because I am in the process of trying to get my life together. All right, and then safety net. This is basically my PTO. If I take time off from work or anything like that, say kids have an appointment or something and I have to use take time off, I will pull the money from here to pay myself, so that way I'm not missing out on the income. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 is what I have here. Love to see it, and it works out perfectly because if there's appointments or anything like that, because of my schedule, it's during the day while they're at school, and most of the time when I have to make appointments, I get them early from school and then we go to the appointments, which means that more than likely I am going to miss maybe an hour, 2 hours sometimes for those appointments, or in my case, sometimes I take mental days or mental time off where I'm just like, look, I can't do it today. And then I pay myself from here. So it's a nice little cushion to have, especially because I don't make a lot of money and I don't work full-time. I work part-time. So anyway, yes, we did it. And we are prepared to spend once again. With the weather being a lot nicer, we are outside a little bit more, and we've done a picnic, actually 2 picnics, and we've actually just spent time like at the park doing free stuff. But more often than not, we are outside spending money. So that's why it's really important for us to have these funds available, and it keeps my budget in check as well. So that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.